Welcome. In this lesson, we will learn about common agricultural tools, how to handle them safely, and how to take good care of them. Let's get started. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify 10 common agricultural tools, explain how to handle them safely, and understand how to maintain them. Meet the farmer's best friend. The cutlass cuts weeds. The wheelbarrow carries loads. The axe cuts down trees. The hoe digs the soil. The watering can sprinkles water on crops. The pickaxe digs the soil. The hand trowel helps transplant seedlings. The rake gathers leaves. The shovel moves dirt. Remember their names together with their uses. Farmers rely on tools every day. It's important to maintain them well. Why? To make them last longer, work better, and to help prevent injuries. Let's find out how to do this safely. Remember, safety first. How should we handle farm tools? Always hold tools firmly. Pass the handle first to others. Never run with farm tools. One mistake can cause injuries. Use tools for their correct job. For example, don't use a cutlass to cut down a big tree. It might break or the handle could come off. Don't throw tools around. Put them down gently and keep them properly. Some tools can be hung on a wall. Keeping them organized make them last longer. How can we maintain farm tools properly? Clean off dirt after use. Sharpen blades regularly. Sharp tools work better and safer. Repair or replace broken parts. Oil metal parts to stop rusting. Remember, a rusty tool is a weak tool. Your tools will last for many years if you care for them. Once again, remember, handle tools with care and maintain them with pride. Try cleaning a farm tool at home and share your work with someone. It feels good to take care of your tools. Let's think. Which farm tool do you use the most? How do you take care of it? Are there any other good ways to handle and maintain these tools? Talk about it with your teacher or your friends. Now let's try our hands on these questions. If the tools labeled I, and Ivan was presented to you to identify and state their uses on your visit to a farm settlement near your school, what would be your answer? What is the name of the parts labeled X and Y? Outline 3 ways of maintaining these tools. Give 3 reasons why the farmer must maintain these tools. Thank you for learning with me today. I am your online tutor, David Andy. Stay safe, take care of your tools, and happy farming.